Yeah, hello, Martin Baker here from Baker's Garden Buildings. I'm over in Epsom in Surrey. I want to show you what I'm going to describe as a family pool room. So after a lot of conversation with these clients, I'm really proud to have completed this project for them and share this with you today. So thank you to the client for letting me in today. This complete project was carried out with just 3 of us main contractors, Tom Manville for all of the groundworks and the endless pool base, which is like in the ground, and all of this lovely patio that works around here and runs up to the house. Our good friends at Home Counties for the endless pool itself, and then us as Bakers doing the room, the electrics, and a small bit of plumbing in this one. The building, as large as we're allowed to go, 7.5 wide, 4.1 deep, internal measurements, that's the 30 square metres. Got the inline sliding doors and that aluminium with that low E glass. We do a lot of that anti-sun grey. You can see it's quite smoked. It's also got integrated blinds. The blinds are up at the moment. Show you them again in a moment. Externally, we've got the MTX cladding in a V200. Such a wide building, the larger Vs actually look really lovely on this. It's really popping on this video. Cement board to the left, MTX to the right, because actually this has got quite a lot more garden to go, still a bit more development to do in this garden. This was kind of phase 1, so we've got that nice V200 with the fan lights there you can see opening. Inside, the main focus is a swimming pool, the large pool here. So this is the 15 by 9 pool, so it does feel huge as I come into here, but what a lovely space. Now I've been told by this large family, they're a really lovely family, got grandkids and still grandparents around. So this pool has had in it 3-year-old to 91-year-old, so it's really being used by all the family, set up in that way, with a number of grandchildren, a consideration for a toilet and also changing as they get older. So we've got in here a 1.8 by 1.2 space that's got a cassette toilet. That's not a fully plumbed in toilet, but we did get water up and grey water away, so you can wash your hands with a plumbed in basin there. But I say the toilet is a cassette toilet. But look at all the space they've got there. So it's actually a changing room as well. You've got the towel rail there to keep some towels dry or dry them off, and then exactly the same here on the outside. So it's just a really lovely space. Complete focus on it being obviously an endless pool room with such a large pool. There's actually not much more space around it apart from the bit you're seeing here, but does work really well. The client was already a swimmer and a teacher of swimming, and just wanted to teach her grandkids and the family and just have something to share at home. And she was just saying how much she absolutely adores it here, goes on holiday and wants to come back to use it. So that's exactly what we want to hear. All the things you'd expect from us, the lighting, down lights and the wash lighting you're seeing there. The installation of that cassette toilet and the water was handled between Tom Manville and ourselves. Like I say, integrated blinds, I'm sure you've seen them before, with that anti-sun grey smoke is lovely. Anthracite colour. People always think about having green buildings, but look again around this lovely green area how nice anthracite works, and it is why it's still our default colour of choice. A wet room laminate floor in our classic oak grey. Yeah, I think there you go. That's probably pretty much all to show you on this one. Just a lovely endless pool room, say collaboration of Tom Manville for groundworks and patio. Home Counties pools and tubs, where you can go and see one. They've got one at the show centre at Hilliers in one of our buildings, very similar to this. So go and arrange a test swim if it's of interest to you. And the room by us. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe, share what we do. We really do appreciate that, and leave your comments below.